Lovelies, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, as you can see from the title, we're unboxing a new subscription box on my channel. I never unboxed this subscription box before, and this is the Pip box. This is the cruelty-free beauty box. So if you want to see what's inside here, please keep on watching. Lovelies, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Jayca. I'll do beauty videos like unboxing subscription boxes, beauty haul, lineup, spoiler of subscription boxes, and more. So if you like this kind of video, make sure to subscribe. And if you're already subscribed, lovelies, thank you so much for tuning in again, and thank you so much for your continuing support. So yes, lovelies, we're unboxing the Pip box. I know it's quite late, but it just arrived now, and I know that this subscription box, it's already sold out. That's why, lovelies, I have another box in here, because this month I decided to subscribe to their February box, but they are kindly sent me another box to give it to you, lovelies. So to the Pip box, this is a monthly cruelty-free beauty box. It cost £19.99 a month, including the shipping fee, and inside there are usually 5 to 6 products, cruelty-free beauty products. And also, lovelies, I already done this lineup spoiler of this subscription box before, so if you wanna check that one, I will pop on the top here. It arrived with this box, and it's just this little cute box. It's really cute, and it says be beautiful, be kind, cruelty-free beauty. And the Pip box, yay, it's arrived. Your beauty treats are here. Try them, love them, and make the switch to cruelty-free. So when you open it, lovely, it says enjoy and share your beauty discoveries on social media. Tag Pipbox, hashtag cruelty-free. And then we have the booklet or leaflet, and it says the self-love edit, February 2021. 2021, and at the back it says also our self-love top tips, which is nice. And then we have the description, the price of all the products inside, and it says this month is all about you. Self-love defined as love of self. It's all about doing what makes you happy. Whilst we realize there's more to happiness than new beauty products, it certainly helps. Right, this month's treats include makeup and skincare selected especially to make you look and feel your best. Enjoy and share your selfies on social media. Hashtag the Pip box. And as always, lovelies, all the info will be in the description box below, and also the discount code, which is, I don't remember, it will be in the description box. So you will have like £3 off on your first box. I don't remember, but I will pop everything in the description box below. And then we have all this shredded paper, and then let's start. I did already my makeup on, lovelies, as you can see. I tried this one in another video. So the first one we have, lovelies, here, and this is from Foamy. We wet it, foam it, and rinse it. Shampoo bar for normal hair. And this is cruelty-free, vegan. So yeah, and it smells really nice. I'm not usually fan of coconut scent, but this one has really a gorgeous smell. And inside it looks like this, and it smells really nice. I never tried shampoo bar before, as I said, but I might try one of these days. So yes, so this one is 80 grams. I think this is a full size product, and it costs £6.99. and here it says meet your tropical escape with this shake your coconut shampoo bar with wet proteins and coconut for strong supple hair and additional shine. Your hair will be left with the exotic scent of coconut all day long thanks to this cold pressed formulation. So yes, so this is the first product. Then the next product we have here, and this is from the Salt Parlor Rose Shea Butter Calm. So salt and sulfur scrub, the mini tin. So I think this is just a deluxe sample size. It has 60 grams, and let's see inside. It smells like a rose. definitely. And as you can see, lovely, they have like dry petal rose with all the salt. It smells really nice. Yeah, it smells like rose. This one, lovely, it's retail for £6.50, and here it says with blended mineral rich Dead Sea salt, pink Himalayan salt, and rose oil to calm and soothe the skin. This scrub is especially beneficial for irritated or mature skin, and with addition of fragrant air, dried organic rose petal, you will be left feeling relaxed and tension free. So yes, this is the second product. And then the next one we have, oh, this is a makeup, and this is from Phase Zero Making Moves Blusher. So here we go, and this is in the shade, let me see, oh, I think this is in the shade, is the Making Moves Blush, Making Moves. So here we go, and I think this is a full size. And let's see inside, if I can open it, lovelies. So inside we have this. It reminds me of Sleek Makeup packaging, very sleek. Have the mirror as always, and it's, here we go, it's like a peachy shade. Let's watch it. Looks like this. I hope you can see it, lovelies. It's like a subtle blush, very shimmery. It has like a gold undertone too. Very, very beautiful shade. So this one here, and this one is retail for £21. Wow. And it says enhance your radiance and enliven your skin with Phase Zero's cruelty free vegan friendly blusher. The silky smooth formulation is subtle and buildable, blending seamlessly onto your skin for a gorgeous veil of natural looking color. So yes, so this is the third product. And then we have a random spoon inside, I'm not sure why. And then we have maybe this for this, I don't know. This is from Beauty Bakery, Better Not Bitter Flour Setting Powder, and this is just a sample size. I know Beauty Bakery, I saw few of their products and their packaging, it's really, really cute. But I never tried products from this brand before. And this one, it says vegan, 100% calories, 0% gluten, 0% lightweight, yes, mattifying, yes. That's so cute. So this is the product, lovelies. It's quite dusty outside, as you can see, because there's few products inside, but I won't open it, lovelies. I don't really want mess here on my carpet. So yes, and then the next one we have in here, and this is the reason I subscribed to this subscription box, and this is from Lime Crime in the shade Red Velvet. So it's like a gorgeous red. I would love to try it on, but as you can see, I have already my lipstick on, and yeah, it's quite similar on my lipstick on. This is not a cruelty-free lipstick, I'm really sorry, but it's my favorite lipstick, so I will not say it. But if you want to know, I will pop in the description box below. But yes, this is the only brand that can't pass it on because of their lipstick. Only their lipstick is, I'm a fan of their lipstick, so yes. So this is the product. And then, oh, this one, lovelies, I didn't say it. So this one, the Beauty Bakery, it's retail for £9, and it says a simple dusting of Beauty Bakery flower setting powder is enough to perfect any look, keeping your makeup look in place all day. You can enjoy your smooth airbrush finish for longer. Finally mild, the powder combats shine and oil while minimizing the appearance of pores, leaving you with smooth matte result. And the Lime Crime one, I never tried products from Lime Crime, so I'm really excited for this one. And this one, £10, and I heard really good reviews about Lime Crime, so yes. And it says pioneering the matte liquid lipstick obsession. Lime Crime's matte velvetines lend lips a stunning suede finish, intensely pigmented and packed with skin nourishing extract. The French vanilla infused formula feels comfortable and won't leave your lips feeling dry. So yes. And then the last product we have in here, and this is a chocolate. And this is the Play-in Chalk Organic Peruvian Cacao MLK Chocolate, Dairy, Nut, Gluten, and Plastic Free. Ooh. So we have 3 pieces inside. This one, I will eat this later because I need to eat my dinner first, or lunch. How do you say it? But yeah, I will wait to eat this one. So here we go. So here we go. That's the last product. Let's do a recap, lovelies. We have the Beauty Bakery setting powder. We have the chocolate, 3 pieces of chocolate. We have a random spoon in here. We have the Phase Zero, but I think the spoon is for the, for this one, but I am not 100% sure. The Phase Zero blusher, really gorgeous shade. The Rose and Shea Butter Calm Scrub. I never tried from this brand. I never heard from this brand before, so I'm really excited to try. And then we have the Lime Crime Lipstick, and as I said, I never tried lime cream before, so I'm really excited for this one too. And then the Foamy Shampoo Bar. Smells gorgeous, smells nice, smells coconut, tropical scent. So yes, I'm glad to receive this one. So overall, this box, its worth value is 53 pounds, more than 53 pounds. And now let's move on with the giveaway. As I said, I subscribed to this box, but they kindly sent me another box, so thank you very much, Pipbox. And yes, so this is the box. I open it, lovelies, just to check. Well, I will check with you, lovelies. So I have mine on here. And for you, lovelies, we have, as always, the leaflet. I will leave the leaflet. I will put a note in here too. That's why I open it. And you have also the shredded paper. I will pop back later again, lovely. Sorry. We have the foamy shampoo bar. The foamy shampoo bar. We have the chocolate one. We have the powder from Beauty Bakery. We have the lipstick, the velvet lipstick. We have the random spoon again. We have the blusher, and we have the scrub one, the body scrub. So all of this, it's in my giveaway. So the rose, lovelies, it's easy. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. Definitely sure also to follow my other social media. I will pop in the description box below. Help me to reach my 1,000 followers on my Instagram, and to grow also my Facebook page account. I will pop everything in the description box below. And end of this giveaway, I will pop in the description box below too. I will open it for 2 weeks, I think, because I'm in the moment at home. I'm not going out at the moment, so I'll wait 2 weeks to draw the winner. Though I don't know how will I draw the winner. Maybe I will let my daughter to choose the winner, or my son. We'll see. We will see. And also, lovelies, in the comment below, let me know what subscription box are you subscribed at the moment. I think that is all, lovelies. I thought to do this giveaway to say thank you to all of you, each one of you, for being subscribed to my channel, for commenting, for like my videos, for always supporting my channel. I really want to thank you so much, and thank you, the Pipbox, for giving me a chance to do this giveaway. And yes, I hope you enjoyed this giveaway. I know it's quite late because I was thinking to do it 2,000 subscribers, but all this happening, I forget it. So definitely this is one of my great giveaway. I hope you love this one as I do. And if you want to subscribe to the Pipbox, I will pop in the description box the link, all the info as always. And yes, that's all for me, lovelies. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure to smash the like button. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to see more unboxing, subscription boxes, and more. And also, don't forget to click the notification bell so you know when I upload the video. See you in my next video, lovelies. Bye! Mwah.